Hey guys, I am here with the Dia & Co unboxing. I've been watching a few Dia & Co videos on YouTube, and I've noticed that the ones I really like, they open the box, kind of give their first impressions and try them on and give real impressions. So I thought I would try that today. It's Sunday morning, I've got makeup on, so we'll see how all of this goes. So, just got the box, had my husband open it, haven't looked at anything. I did take a brief perusal on the internet, just to kind of see what they sent me, just so I wouldn't be surprised if I pulled something out that just really wouldn't work. It's time for another Dia box. This Jessica cardigan adds a pop of color and a layer of warmth to any outfit you have in a chilly venue. I asked for clothes to wear at a conference because I'm going to a blogger conference. Wear it over the sandwich top, Helsinki pant, and brown flats for a bright and polished look. I know you've been missing our Maxi Skirts, so I was sure to include one. I love their skirts. It'll pair nicely with the Gia top and ankle boots. Like I have ankle boots. The Arizona girls don't have ankle boots. Maybe we do, but I don't. And my stylist was Lisa. All right, return bag. Always make sure you keep your return bag, but hopefully you love everything in your box. Remember, if you keep everything in your box, you get an extra credit. All right, so this is Michelle Studio. Oh, kind of one of those knot tops. What do you guys think of that? So, I'm gonna just try that on real quick, and then we'll see what everybody thinks. Okay, so here it is, paired with my delicious pajama bottoms. I have never worn a top like this. I like how it kind of cinches you in here, gives you a little bit of shape. Love how much coverage there is in the back, because when I bend over, I don't like to show no booty. Ooh, I'm not this part, I feel like doesn't hide this part enough. But what do you guys think? Do you like it? It's very different from anything else I have, so I'm excited to give it a try. Plus, with these kind of sleeves, sometimes I like my sleeves up a little bit, so that makes it kind of easy. All right, next item. Let's pull the next one out. I'm checking my phone to make sure I'm on camera, because guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but camera skills really aren't my thing. Okay, so this is Rafaela Embellished top. Looks pretty cute. These kind of things are great for conferences because they're pretty lightweight, but I'm always freezing in the rooms. So let me go try this one on. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so here I am. I really like this part. Let's see if I can come up and show you guys a little bit more of the neckline. It's got these little flaps. I'm hopeful that these will wash okay, because sometimes, you know, after you wash something like this, there's nothing that pins it down. I'm hoping that those stay cute and turned out like that. I really like the color. I like how comfortable it is. It's classy enough to wear to a conference, but also comfortable enough to sit in a boring conference room with maybe a speaker you don't love. So I really like it. Good size. Again, the sleeves are 3/4 length, which I love. So big fan. Okay, oh boy guys, it's the Maxi Skirt. The moment you've all been waiting for. I love Dia & Co's dresses and skirts. So, oh my gosh, guys, this is gonna be so great for Arizona summer. What do you guys think? Love the color, love all the flowers, very different from anything else I own. This is from the brand Sealed with a Kiss, Whack. So let me try it on. I'll be right back. It might not be the dressiest thing I own. I put the camera down a little bit so you guys can see all the way. But I really like it. Really like the colors, great for church. Could definitely wear it at a conference. Some of my conferences I need to feel a little more hip and cool at. But I think it looks good. Mostly great for church, great for schlepping around in the Arizona summers. I am a big fan, and it's just so buttery soft. I think it is going to be awesome. Anyway, big fan of this skirt. So let's find out what is next in the box. All right, it is the cardigan, which has this interesting back lacy stuff. So I'm just gonna try it on over this. She mentioned that it could be worn with this top, although this seems like a lot of color. I don't know, you guys, like a lot of color. but I'm always freezing at conferences. So I think I would really like this with, I mean, it's kind of nice for the video because you can definitely see the cutouts, but with like a white shirt or something, I think I would really like this cardigan. I really like that back detail. It's just kind of fun and different. Clearly I'd have to wear it with a shirt because I don't just like show off my back for no reason. But I love a lightweight cardigan. I love being able to shove it in my bag and pull it out when I'm cold. So big fan of this. They know I love purple. Everything they send me that's purple I love. So what do you guys think of this cardigan? Okay, final thing are these pink pants. Maybe I'll try them on with the blue shirt. So these are Molly and Isadora. I've gotten their pants before, but I really like the color. I don't have any pink pants, so this is kind of exciting and different, and they'll be great summer length. So let me go try them on. Okay guys, here is the pants. They are super lightweight. They're gonna be awesome for Arizona in the summer. I really like this length of pant. I love to wear it with just some sandals or whatever during the summer. I'm not a huge shorts girl, so I love this length of pant. Here it is with that blue top that I tried on initially. There's the bum area. So big fan of the pants, really like the color. I'm not sure that I'm sold on it with this shirt. I'd love to know what you guys think about the shirt with it, but other than that, I'm a big fan. So anyway, you guys, I think I'm a big fan of what they ended up sending me. This top is very different from what I usually would wear. I don't have any pink pants like this, so these are kind of fun. I think these will be great at a conference because I like to be bright and colorful, but still comfortable, and these fit the bill. This top, probably something more like I'd buy at Kohl's. So maybe of any of them, this maybe wasn't my favorite, but it's cute. It's definitely on my mom trend. So I would definitely, if it was the one thing in the box that I was like meh about, I would definitely end up keeping it so that I could get 25% off of everything else. Huge fan of this cardigan. After I filmed with you guys, I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh, I love that back, just because I don't have anything like that. So it's kind of fun and different. And I pretty much would wear every single skirt they've ever sent me. I love them so much. And I love that how this guy has the waistband, so you can kind of make it longer or shorter depending on what you're wearing. I had a little bit longer, but you could definitely roll that up and then make it a little bit shorter. So total box win for me. Big fan of it. Be sure if you get a box, tell them what you're looking for your upcoming events. For me, this was for a conference. My last box was for a cruise, and I ended up really liking a lot of those clothes. You know, it's not fair to be like, just send me stuff, and then when you get it, you're like, well, none of this will work for my conference. If you tell them I'm going to a professional conference, I really need to look my very best, or I'm going to kind of a more casual conference, I just want to be comfortable but also look okay. Or I'm going to a wedding and I really need a dress or two that will look good, and then some time at the pool or whatever. So be specific when you order your box, and I will say that sometimes that first box is kind of hard to know that they got it right. So hopefully the next box they can improve. This is probably one of the best boxes they've sent me. So every box is different. I have yet to have like the same stylist, so I'm not sure that if you get a stylist you love that you can stick with it. But Lisa did a great job with me today. If you guys have any questions about Dia or how it all works, ask me in the comments or check out my post, because there is a ton of different stuff all about Dia and on my blog. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Bye.